Okay.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
What's up with it, huh?
Man, I'm looking real ragged in here, man.
Yeah.
My TVs.
We outside, man.
We outside.
Yeah, man, with the people.
You can't stand where I stand, you can't walk where I walk. Watch out! We run through your house. Policeman come, we bust them out the park. I know this for a fact. You don't like how I act. You claim I'm selling crack, but you be doing that. I'd rather say see ya, cause I would never be ya. Be a officer, you wicked overseer. The hot shot wanna get tough to be a savior. First show a little respect, change your behavior. Change your attitude, change your plan. There can never really be justice or stolen land. Are you really for peace and equality? Or when my car's hooked up, you know you wanna follow me.
Huh.
Your laws are minimal, cause you won't even think about looking at the real criminal. This is justice, cause you be getting hyped to the sound of the police.
That's the sound of the leash. Ooh, ooh.
That's the sound of the beast.
Ooh, ooh.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. There's a little truth. Open up your eyes while you're checking out the boombox. Check the exercise. Check the word overseer. Like a sample, repeat it very quickly and approve, for example. Overseer, 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 officer, 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 officer. Yeah, officer from overseer. You need a little clarity? Check the similarity. The overseer rode around the plantation. The officer is on patrol and not in nation. The overseer could stop you what you're doing. The officer will pull you over just for the overseer had the right to get ill. And if your foot dropped, the overseer had the right to
Yay.
has the right to arrest. And if you fight back, they put a hole in your chest. They both ride horses. After 400 years, I got no choices. The police still have a nickel gun. So when I'm on the streets, I walk around with a bigger one. I hear it all day, just so they can run the light and be up on their way.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. Check out the message in a rough styling. The real criminal are the COP. You check for undercover anyone teaching. But just tell me a black man, they want check me. They check out me car, for it shine like the sun. But them jealous and them vex got a can't afford one. Black people still slaves up to today. But the black police officer, let's see it that way. He wants his salary, he wants it, so he put on a badge and kill people for it. My grandfather had to deal with the cops. My great-grandfather dealt with the cops. My great-grandfather had to deal with the cops. And then my great-great-great-great, when it's gonna stop? That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the beast.
My daughter made this
That's the
up.
sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
So come on and jiggity check yourself before you wreck yourself. Check.
You better check yourself before you break yourself.
You better check yourself or you wreck yourself, cause I'm bad for your health. I come real stealth, dropping bombs on your moms. Fuck call alarms. You a foul run, my bad nigga with no Alpine soda for a six, so always let tricks know.
And chicks know we got that endo.
No, I'm not a sucker,
But let the house up pain.
and no, I'm not the butler.
I touch ya.
Head touch ya. You say you can't touch this, and I wouldn't touch ya. Punk motherfucker. Here to let you know, boy. Oh, boy.
I make dope, but don't call me dope boy. This ain't no fucking motion picture.
I got your picture.
I gotta get picture and hit ya, turn it to the jack to the
neck.
so you better run the shit. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Tickety check yourself before you wreck yourself. Shotgun bullets are bad for your health. Tickety check.
Check. What's up, cuz? Oh. We outside with the people.
Operator 187.
Yeah, cool.
We outside with the peoples. Yeah. Fuck you talking about, nigga.
Check, homie.
Yeah. Phone check, homie. Hold on, Miss Brenda. Let me get that for you. Miss Brenda got ice cold. She come back for 2 more.
This is the first time.
I say you coming back for 2 more, Miss Brenda.
Not tonight.
Oh, is it? No. That'll last you because that weather. It's gonna get cold. Okay. Nah, man. OG right there raised the nigga. It was a shouty, nigga. What they call in Florida, a jit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? And then they get played, pulling out a switchblade. AK-47 assault rifle. Wash your ass. Instead they make and a holding tank.
Now your ass screaming for the deputy. They sing it to Charlie Baker, Denver Road. Now they running up in your mouth. You're gone. Used to be the damn one.
Now you can just twine. You better run the. Come on, really take yourself before you wreck yourself.
Come on and check yourself before you wreck yourself. So take it and check yourself before you wreck yourself. Big beats in your ass.
It's bad for your ass. School teacher, old car right there, man. Long live school teacher, nigga. Hey. Chickity check. Today is the first of the month. Them checks came out, baby. Oh, yeah. Hold up. You better run the lights on the license plate. You should have had a VA instead of a tray. A slug till you're cramming them. I got 6 and I'm aiming them. Well, I put your dressing, fuck you in that distressing. You're no good. That goes the neighborhood. Man, giving up the good cars, giving up the claps. Hey. What's up, young homie? Your daddy name Marcus. No, I'm gonna say you look like Marcus. Now, what is that, Marcus, boy? Chickity check yourself before you wreck yourself. It's bad for your hair. Hold up, man. This shit ain't no. Yeah. On the corner where they said nigga can't be. Nigga, who? So chickity check yourself before you wreck yourself. So chickity check
yourself before you wreck yourself. Come on and check yourself before you wreck yourself. So chickity check yourself before you wreck yourself.
So chickity check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Cause the lynch mob is bad for your health. 9 Trey, we mix. Old school too. Yeah. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going out.
Check yourself.
What's up, man? Rider number 1, Mr. Hall. Rider number 2, Sniper Rich. Rider number 3, Jack the Ripper. Salty water franchise, baby. What's up, Sheldon? I feel you, my nigga. Beat this out. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. With everything much for the envious, of course, it's jealous. I lay the law for those who choose to listen.
I'm trying to go. Huh? Oh, she's right here. She has it up.
They show no love and watch it blow with the wind. Even possessors in the horse of men. Therefore I come from the gutters, and you all again. Hustling wrong since my adolescence. That I'm able to have niggas blind my presence. Forgive me, God, of my mentality, for I'm a witness. I'm mental living, the struggles of I get high and try to fly through the streets of the sky. Composing confidential lyrics through the demon inside. Every day that I awake, another day to ball. Slave to the rhythm that I've been given to teach you all. Sucker and buster free, I'll smart the police and real. Believe it's real when I tell you that niggas shoot to kill. Murder for money, but that's what is in small amounts. Petty even have no meaning, you got to make it count. Smashing and smashing on the opposite team. A million bucks is the American dream. So I pay for the money by any means. I was put in to tell the truth, not to offer you dirty water and poisonous fruit. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, avoid the jealous. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, avoid the jealous. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, avoid the jealous. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, avoid the jealous. I represent the other side of the law. As you upon my flesh, I feel blessed and keeping it raw. Giving me my hands, but consider me contradiction. Some say I got no life, this I'm living without permission. I'm up in prison, but I'll be back with the ability to punish you people, produce a trap. My raps exposes my whole nature. Whether the Baptist or Muslim, God is still a creator. I speak through the misfortunate, illegitimate. Understand the ones consider trash, and those niggas run from judgment. Be a survivor, don't let the man speak to it's been proven to teach you and make you weak and weaker. I leave the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, support the jealous. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, support the jealous. Me and my toss against them all until I'm dead in my grave. Either be down or behave, a little kid in my days. I'm all a slave to the rhythm, like I said in verse 1. Switch up my style till I please take out the season, that's nothing. I'm on the rise, but deep in my eyes, and I'll be damned if you can't see the day I was born and the day I died. But still I bow before a higher Lord, because I know in my heart that He's the one in charge. Practice to be hard to penetrate another's weakness, mentally scarred. Therefore I leave another speechless. I put my feelings together with the help of the heavens. And rest in peace to my homies himself, so hold the way to heaven. And yeah, I warn you of my talent, it can leave you sick. Like this love is, but throw that shit. Let's the struggle until you're rich. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, avoid the jealous. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, avoid the jealous. I lay the law for those who choose to listen. Rebellious, watch for the envious, avoid the jealous. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Motherfuckers jealous, man. Man, watch your motherfucking back. Cause motherfuckers will stab y'all, man. Yeah. All the lives of life, man. That's what I'm saying because it's real. Yeah. Salty Water Records. Worldwide ride. This is my type of shit, man. Yeah. What's up to all my niggas on the island, man?
It don't stop.
Yeah. All the way on down Broadway to the motherfucking Causeway. Yeah. I'm in the studio live with 3D son of a bitches. Ain't stop this here. Yeah. Macho. I got their ass bobbing, baby. Yeah. I laid the law for those who choose to listen.
I'm about to get it up.
Let's face it, most
I know a lot of shit I ain't gon' never tell. I'd rather do my time sitting in the cell. See everybody yelling gang till the mission fail. Then they turn around and sing like Patti LaBelle. I know a lot of shit I ain't gon' never tell. I'd rather do my time sitting in the cell. Acting like they gang till the mission fail. Then they turn around and sing like Patti LaBelle. I don't need no brown niggas taking down niggas. See, that's the reason why I stay the fuck around niggas. They get nervous shark starts around, and then they can't swim, so they will want you to drown. Never understand how a nigga take the standpoint at another man when that used to be your man. Snitches used to get stitches, but the game changed. Now these niggas get caught and tell on the whole game. Dang. See, y'all niggas ain't got no remorse, but you know karma is a bitch and it's gon' take its course. Before I snitch, I hope the good Lord take my voice. Give me a seizure when he see me walking in the court. Yeah, cause I could never tell on another nigga, and it don't matter if I am, I ain't fucking with you. I'ma stay solid, I'ma stand up. I'm gon' keep quiet when they put me in them handcuffs. Yeah, I know a lot of shit I ain't gon' never tell. I'd rather do my time sitting in the cell. Niggas acting like they game till the mission fails. Then they turn around and sing like Patti LaBelle. I don't need no brown niggas taking down niggas. See, that's the reason why I stay the fuck around niggas. They get nervous when them sharks starts around them. They can't swim, so they want you to drown. Be acting hard, but they really marks. They can't swim with the sharks, they ain't got the heart. Don't fuck with them if you smart, they gon' fall apart. And the minute they get caught, they working with them laws, yeah. They got them setting niggas up to get their time shot. Somebody finna hit them up with 69 shots. Them killers looking for them now, and when they find out, they gon' hit them up and put them in a pine box. Ain't no RIP for a fake nigga. Mix the fire with the smoke and then you break, nigga. Headshot, can't identify your face, nigga. Cause you gotta cut the head off a snake, nigga. I know a lot of shit I ain't gon' never tell. I'd rather do my time sitting in the
I got a bankroll now, man. I ain't got one of those now. I got a little something now. No, they ain't no home. This is my check money. I got my check today. And I took my little fee. I broke my little penny. She gave me $180 just then. I paid $40 for my years ago. When the jury, would go with cheap. Nigga, I was trying to get it fixed. She talking about 100. Man, fuck that. I say, what you give me for? So I give you 180 right now. So, yeah, shit. Rent paid up. I'm for the goddamn. I'm trying to get my one thing. I'm finna get me I ain't got what's the thing? We going out of town. We gonna go to Columbia. We gonna go. I wanna go to grave site. I wanna go to Pablo grave site. I wanna go to Pablo grave site. Yeah, we trying to get in there. What's up? Look, my nigga, man. Young Columbia. We talking about the Columbia. It's cold out here, man. We outside, man. Shit, baby. My background. Nigga never heard of you. They all know that I be slinging that heat. Play with the auto, I be banging the street. Forever banging the streets. I'm a target and they aiming at me. Face I gon' kill whoever playing with me. Ain't gotta pay on my fee. 600 shots up in this fucking sprinter. I fuck your hoe and she know I'm that nigga. They send my brother up the fucking river. I'm in the gutter with a couple killers. They all know that I'ma go for the O. 200 shots up in the scoop, I turn that bitch to a ghost. I like puffin' on that bitch slide, put the Billy in flow. And all these hoes tellin' like I can't put no trust in no hoes. Can't believe they took my brother, bitch, for we smoke. Can't believe I got caught like a hit straight at the stove. Daddy tryna duck them bullets, I got hit through the door. All them niggas gotta get it, shoulda hit me some more. All my niggas staying silent, we can't fold under pressure. Never speak upon the bodies that we put on the stretcher. If I got it, then you got it, you my nigga forever. If you riding in the ride, we gon' kill them together. If I ever have a baby, I'ma name it a treasure. Cause we got a cherish life, I'ma make sure that it's special. Hope God forgive me for my sins and we gon' kidnap the devil. And I thank him every day, he put my life on the level. I ain't never looking back, I got my foot on the pedal. Step on the block with that clock, you gon' get hit with that metal. Got some top off at the spot, I broke some bread with the fellas. I just got off the phone with Poppy, say I gotta be careful. I'm from that island like I'm straight out the tray. All my niggas got a body, gon' get popped at the gate. I got my niggas right beside me, got this Glock on my waist. And I dare a nigga try me, gon' get shot in the face. I just spent 100,000, how I'm feeling today. Niggas the first, you got your check too, nigga, break bread. He got his money and then he wanna play broke around us all the time. Yeah, it don't work like that, my nigga. That nigga got his money, man. You know, that shit. He ain't never big one, no more.
Chains on me, fuck. They all know that I be slinging that heat. Play with the old blood, I just bring in the street. Forever banging the streets. I'm a target, and they aiming at me. They gon' kill whoever playing with me. Ain't gotta pay them a fee.
You want somebody to give him something, but don't never want to give. Hit your bitch ass.
Oh yeah. As we lock up in the motherfucking smoke room with all this Southside flavor, we gon' mix it in this big pot of Kool-Aid, a little something like this. Smoke, smoke on. What you doing, E? Smoke on, smoke on.
Say, yo, I'm getting hot than a motherfucker.
Smoke, smoke on.
With that carry on.
Smoke on, smoke on.
Still getting thrown for that 9-5G.
Hey, it's the Yellowstone
and that boy ESG. Yeah, we getting drunk once again. Rolling the bins and it don't end till we hit the top 10. Still hitting that switch and that drop. Got the Glock cop, leaving you fools in that aftershock. And we're from the south side and we represent. Swinging and banging and we still be getting lit.
Well, who's next up to black with that rat-tat-tat-tat? No, it ain't the rage. No, it ain't the brat. I'm straight from the south.
I got it going on. Who's this? It's that clique.
It's that from Yellowstone.
Breaking them off a chunk, so don't even try. Puffing on the fry, the T, the O, the R, the I. And you know it's on. It's that E and that Yellowstone, so y'all smoke on.
Smoke, smoke on. What you doing, E? Smoke on, smoke on.
What's up? That's Muscle Brother. What's up, baby? Oh, you the uncle. Okay. Okay, how you doing, huh? You chilling? Yes, sir. This the only. They done pushed us down there. Hey, they pushed us out this motherfucker. No, they can't run nothing. All right, baby.
And nigga, it don't stop because we dropping flow after flow. And it won't quit because we blowing endo after endo stick. And nevertheless, I keep having that sense of build up on my chest. And yes, I got to come equipped in case a bitch wants to flex. Now I got that barrel of my chrome to your dome. I bust a couple of shots and let my homie smoke on.
That's how you wake in the morning. My eyes filled with sleep. I'm reaching for the dresser, trying to grab my swisher sweet. My day is good as gold by the time I get to sleep. And out to the bathroom to take me a shit. And when I'm finished shitting, it's time to get my grub on. For breakfast in the morning, even leftover neck bones. Wash my ass and hit the gut, time to serve no fingers, bro. Flipping through my hood, trying to make my daily cash flow. Smoke, smoke on. What you doing, E? Smoke on, smoke on.
Say, oh, I'm getting high than a motherfucker.
Smoke, smoke on.
With that carry on.
Smoke on, smoke on.
Forget about the Yellowstone. Now you got to bob your head as that G-Funk play. I'm about to show the world how I throw it off my day. I'm feeling tired. It's me and Big Mind, roller J. See, fool, I got that chronic, but no, this ain't Dre, the bigger figure with that killer. Now who could that be? Got to be that ESG. Stop tripping, you can't see me in 3D. I'm that G for 9-5. I rap a lot, I gain priority, then I profile with a virginal dive straight from the side with that voodoo and them gators. And one thing's for sure, I got no love for player haters and them white folks. Shouldn't have never turned me loose. I'm having breakfast on my 7 deuce, pancakes and juice in the dope for 9-4. It's that player ESG, got them all swinging and banging like I did in 9-3. But you can back on up because I know that you can't fade me like that A-Boss said.
Won't you smoke on, baby?
Smoke, smoke on. What you doing, E? Smoke on, smoke on.
Say, fool, I'm getting high than a motherfucker.
Smoke, smoke on.
That's carry on.
Smoke on, smoke on.
Forget about the Yellowstone.
And I'm smoking.
Hold on.
Smoking the E now. And when I'm rolling on them 83 now. I got no love for the player haters. And boy, I wear them gators when I go out to the club.
Yeah.
I got a fat dub.
Yeah, I hear, baby.
Everything's tight. I'm sitting on right.
And I'm smoking.
said I'm smoking with E now. Yeah, yeah.